In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find duplicates in Google Sheets. This is a straightforward and useful technique that can help you quickly identify any repeated values in your data, ensuring that your records remain accurate and reliable. So let's get started. First, open your Google Sheets document where you want to weigh in duplicates. Once you've accessed your spreadsheet, the next thing you'll want to do is to select the range of cells that you want to check for duplicate entries. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the specific range, or if the entire sheet is your area of interest, you might select a column or the whole sheet by clicking on the column header or the top left corner of the sheet. This selection is crucial as it tells Google Sheets where to look for duplicates. After you have your range selected, navigate to the top menu and click on Format. Doing this will open up a drop-down menu. Within this menu, locate the conditional formatting option and click on it. The conditional formatting panel will appear on the right side of your screen. In the conditional formatting panel, you'll see a rule that defaults to is not empty. We're going to change this to a custom formula, so go ahead and click on is not empty to reveal a sheet of options. From this list, choose custom formula is. This will allow you to enter your own formula to define the rule for detecting duplicates. Now, here's where we add the magic formula. In the provided field, type in countif A1, 1 without the quotes. What this formula does is it counts the number of times each value appears in the column starting from A1, and it highlights those that appear more than once. It's important to ensure that the range you're analyzing in your formula corresponds to the range you selected in your sheet. With your custom formula entered, the next step is to click on the Format Cells If section, which allows you to decide how the duplicates will be highlighted. This part is where you customize the appearance of duplicates. Click on the Formatting Style option, then choose a highlight color that stands out. A bright color, like yellow or red, usually works well for this, as it contrasts with most default cell colors, making it easier to spot duplicates at a glance. Once you've chosen your preferred highlight color, go ahead and click on Done to apply the rule. Your Google Sheet will automatically highlight any duplicate values found within the selected range, making them easy to identify and manage. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can effortlessly find and highlight duplicates in Google Sheets, helping you maintain the integrity and accuracy of your data. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting.